vertex and axis of symmetry. Okay, this quadratic equation is in the vertex form already. And the vertex form is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Okay. Now your first thing you're going to do here is you're going to label your constants. Like a, there's nothing here, right? So if there's nothing here, it's understood to be 1. Okay. Here h. Okay. Now what you do is you find a number that you substitute in right here to make this 0. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So h is 3. Okay? And then you look here. Is there anything here? No. So k is equal to 0. So now that I have all of my constants, I can find my vertex. My vertex is going to be h and k. Okay? H is horizontal. K is the vertical part. So h is going to be 3, and then k is going to be 0. So my vertex for this quadratic function is 3, 0, right? Okay, so if I want to graph this, what I would do is I will go to the origin, which is here. This is the origin. I'm going to go over to 3, 1, 2, 3, and 0, meaning I'm not going to go up or down. So I'm going to put a dot here. Okay? So this is my vertex right here. This is my vertex. Okay. Now, if this number is not negative, your graph is going to go. Your parabola is going to open upward. Okay. So if I want to graph this, all I really need is like 2 points. So I'm going to make a chart. I'm going to make a table. And we already have 3, 0, right? So let me just pick like a negative number. Like negative 1. You can pick any number you want to here. I just pick one that's like, like kind of close. Okay? So if I go negative 1 and substitute it in here, this is going to be negative 1 minus 3 squared. What's negative 1 minus 3? A negative 1 and negative 3. 4. And this is going to be negative 4. So negative 4 squared is going to be 16. So if this is negative 1, y is going to be 16. Okay? If I pick 0, say 0 minus 3. So 0 minus 3 squared. What's 0 minus 3? Negative 3. So negative 3 squared is going to be 9. So when x is 0, it's going to be 9. Now all I have to do is go over and plot these 2 points. Okay? So I'm going to go 0, 9. So 0 is here. 9 is up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is way up here. Okay, then negative 1, 16. Negative 1. What? Yeah, negative 1 and 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Wait a minute. So I went negative 1 and 16. I went 3 and 0, 0 and 9. Let me try 2 and see what happens. Because I got this part, but I need the other part. So I'm going to go 2 minus 3 squared, that's 1, right? And then 1 squared is 1. So let me go 2 and 1. 1, 2, 1. Wait a minute. I'm still on this side. Let me go 4. What's 4 minus 3? 1. So that's 1 squared, which is 1, right? No. Negative. Now is that 1? Oh, wait a minute. This is negative 1. This is supposed to be negative 1 here, which is still 1. This is 1 squared, right? So 4 and 1. 1, 2. This is supposed to be 1, not negative 1. So 4 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1. Okay, so now I can sketch it. This is my vertex, right? So just connect these dots here. So it's gonna look something like that. Okay. Now my axis of symmetry is, you see at 1, 2, 3. You see your vertex is here, right? This x value. This is your axis of symmetry. It basically is gonna go right through the center of this and cut that in half. This is your axis of symmetry here. Okay. That's how you do it.